Hey everybody, it's your girl Tendai the Hair Whisperer back with another video. This video is all about self-care, self-love, and just loving on yourself. I'm giving myself a facial to start, and then I'm giving myself a hot oil treatment and a deep conditioning mask using the Arganmidas line. This is the Arganmidas mask that you can find at my website, healthyhair.solutions. The argan oil serum is amazing. We're going to couple these together to give myself a nice deep conditioning treatment and style it out in the end. Something really, really quick and simple that you guys can do. First of all, my hair is freshly washed using the Whisper Whip shampoo and the conditioner. I'm following up with the Arganmidas mask on damp hair after I towel dried it to about, I'd say 80% dry. So it's still about 20% wet. It's best to dry the water out of your hair because your hair cannot absorb the nutrients in the mask with all that water inside of the hair strands. So that's a tip for later. But yeah, notice how I put it all the way through my hair. My curls are nice and bouncy. My hair is growing super fast, by the way. I actually did a big chop probably a year ago. It wasn't even a year ago yet. But I did a big chop and my hair is growing back so quickly. But it's all because I'm taking care of my strands as they grow out. But take a look at the moisture and the way the curls are just starting to really absorb that product. Next, I'm taking a wide tooth comb and just distributing the product throughout my hair evenly. I made sure to detangle my hair before I put a comb in my hair because your hands are the best tools you could ever use. But once you get it detangled, you're more than welcome to put a comb through it as long as there's no snagging going on, which causes breakage and split ends and so on and so forth. Anyway, here's the Arganmidas Argan Oil Serum. Isn't that a pretty bottle and box? Check out how this golden oil just goes right on. This is amazing, not only for your hair, but also for your skin. I'll show you how I'll actually give my whole body some love with that oil serum, which is no silicone. They're silicone free, so it soaks right into the skin. You'll notice that it's not greasy, but it gives you just a nice, healthy glow. I'm going to actually take about 8 pumps of that and massage that through my hair right on top of that mask. And then I'll apply a plastic bag, a plastic cap, processing cap right on top of that and let that sit for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, here I go, giving my elbows some love with that oil serum, my body, just to make sure everything's nice and soft, my cuticles. After 10 minutes, take that plastic cap off. Just shake my hair out. Look at that. You can see the mask is pretty much melted into my hair and the oil serum has done its job as well. Did you guys know that your hair can only process about 10 minutes of conditioning? Anything other than that is just a waste of time. Just a tip, whisper tip. Next, I'm going to just rinse the product out of my hair and after that proceed with styling. This time I only used a little bit more of the Argan Oil Serum and then another product that you'll see in another video called Fresh Moisturizing Cream by Arganmidas as well. Just gives my hair a nice soft feel, no twisting, no coiling or anything like that. I just wanted a natural look, so I just got my makeup going, took my wide tooth comb, or you could take a pick and just lift it at the root and shape it a little bit, and voila, I was ready to go. I like this look from time to time because it lets my hair just rest, especially after wash day. I don't like to do a lot of manipulating, so this is my go-to for just a natural look. Remember, my natural is my natural. Like the video, and hey, let me know what you think in the comments, okay? Get your products today at healthyhair.solutions, also available on Amazon. Remember, also follow us on Instagram, healthyhairsolutions_. Thank you.